Right then, everyone having problems getting the ScriptHook into GTA? I was having the problem at first. All you need to do, come into your Grand Theft Auto, delete your mods folder, right here, delete that, then go to new folder, just create another mods folder. Obviously I'm not going to do it. Click on update, copy that, right click your mods folder and press paste. That will take about 10 minutes. Once you've done all that, go back to wherever you downloaded ScriptHook from. Obviously mine's here. Go into your bin, copy all that, back into your main GTA folder. I've already got them in there, so I don't need to replace them. But that is all you need to do. Okay, so if this has helped you, please comment, subscribe and like this video, and let me know if it's worked. See you later guys, peace.